Okay, so here we are here in San Diego, California at the Dana Hotel, Mission Bay. And here's our rental car right here for the week. It's a Hyundai, I believe. I'm gonna do a tour of our building. We're in like a suite. I'm not gonna do a tour of the whole hotel like I did last time because we already pretty much toured the whole hotel last time we were here, which was 2014. So yeah, here's a map of the place right here. Dana on Mission Bay. All right. So this is our building right here. This is building 1000. Last time we were like in building 7000 or 8000. I don't remember. I'll have to go back and look at that video, but some nice trees and stuff here. Pretty nice place. I like this place. It's a hotel tour. So we're gonna ride the elevator real quick. I can't believe I'm doing this, but we're gonna go up to 3 and then we're gonna go back down to the room. I mean, it's kind of a cool elevator. It's got a window in it, so that's always cool. So here we go. Yeah, it's the next day, actually. It's Monday. Okay. 3 and... There's a few of... Yeah.
We're down 1 floor.
Yep. Yeah, it's probably better to take the magic box one.